Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another premium medium database question that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm really happy about this and I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. And let me show you how I did it. This one is called Find Cutoff Score for Each School. Okay, so basically what they want you to do is you're given these schools and the exam table, and you have all these school IDs. And for each school ID, you want to find the minimum cutoff score if it's possible, if not, -1. So we're going to loop through the school IDs and we're going to look at the capacity. And then we're going to loop through the exam tables for each school ID. And we're going to see if the student count is less than or equal to the capacity that we're currently looking at. If it is, then we append the score, and then out of those valid scores, we find the minimum score. If there's not even a single score that validates it, then -1. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a default dictive type list, and let me just loop through. The space bar, the return key. Okay, so now for IS enumerate schools school ID. Again, that's going to be the dictionary key. And let's call this capacity is schools capacity of I. And now we're just going to go over the exams table. So for J, E enumerates the student exam student count. And we're just going to say so the current score is, so first of all, if E is less than or equal to capacity, then it's going to be valid. Then we can look at the score. So let's call this scores. In that case, scores dot append the actual exam scores score of I. Okay, and then we're going to sort scores, and we're going to look at the school ID and the scores list if it exists, right? So here 9, it does not exist, right? And this actually has to be J, sorry, because we're working with list loop. Cool. So now that makes our life easier because we can say if not scores, then so D of S is equal to -1. Otherwise, D of S is equal to scores of 0 because this is already sorted. So we're just looking at the left-hand most value, which is going to be the smallest. Okay, so now we can return it in any order. So we basically have what we need. Let's just gather the data. So the key values. So 1.append A0 and then, just A, and then 2.append B. Okay, so now we just basically create an empty data frame and then get both columns. Score equals to 2 and then just return it, right? So let's run it. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm really happy and I'm glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help and solve it on my own. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.